Have you ever wondered what it truly takes to make $1 million? It's a dream many chase, but only a few understand the clear path to achieving it. In this video, we'll unravel the mystery behind earning that elusive million, not just in revenue, but in actual income you can bank. Stay tuned as we break down the precise math and strategies needed to hit this monumental goal. By missing out, you might just be waving goodbye to the secrets that could transform your financial future. Now, be sure to hit subscribe, and let's dive into the $1 million formula that could change your life. Number 1. Gross versus net. What millionaires know about real income. First off, it's crucial to distinguish between gross revenue and net income. Aiming for $1 million in revenue sounds impressive, but it's your take-home pay that truly matters. For context, earning $400,000 a year places you in the top 1% in America. Imagine running a business with 40% net margins. That means $400,000 of a $1 million revenue is what you pocket. Such margins are exceptional, but not unheard of, especially in high-margin industries like software or specialized consulting. For instance, a small tech startup might dream of hitting high revenue numbers, but without a solid grasp of net margins, they could end up spending more than they earn. A good rule of thumb is to analyze industry benchmarks for margins to set realistic expectations. Number 2, why your 9 to 5 might be your stealthy path to wealth. Contrary to the entrepreneurial hype, securing a high-paying job might be more attainable and less risky than launching a startup. For example, a seasoned software engineer or a project manager in a tech company can earn a six-figure salary more reliably than someone trying to juggle the uncertainties of a new business. The skills you acquire in these roles can catapult you into higher income brackets more steadily than the sporadic winds of entrepreneurship. Real-life example, Sarah, an engineer by trade, leveraged her high-paying job to gather capital and crucial industry contacts before launching her own tech company, significantly reducing her initial financial risk. Number 3, the millionaire's roadmap, breaking down the big goal. Breaking down your $1 million goal is less daunting when you segment it into smaller, manageable parts. $1 million annually breaks down to about $83,000 per month, $21,000 per week, and roughly $3,000 per day. Such clarity in your financial targets helps create a roadmap and allows for strategic planning rather than wishful thinking. Breaking down large financial goals into daily, weekly, or monthly targets not only simplifies the process, but also aligns with how businesses forecast and measure growth. It turns an overwhelming goal into manageable steps. Number 4, maximizing profits. Understanding the true value of your customers. Let's dissect the concept of customer lifetime value, LTV, using real-world examples. If your product or service has a $1,000 LTV, you need to sell 1,000 units annually to hit $1 million. Consider Starbucks. Their LTV might average around $8,000 when you tally up frequent purchases over several years. Whether you're selling coffee, courses, or cosmetics, understanding and optimizing LTV is crucial. Consider a subscription service like Netflix, which has mastered the art of maximizing LTV through continuous service enhancements and pricing strategies that keep consumers engaged and subscribed. Number 5, daily wins. The secret strategy to meeting your $1 million goals. To make $21,000 a week from a $1,000 LTV product, you need to focus on daily and weekly sales goals. For instance, if selling 5 units daily during the work week meets this target, then structuring promotions, email campaigns, or ads to achieve this becomes your daily mission. This breakdown transforms an overwhelming target into achievable daily wins. For someone in the service industry, like a consultant, knowing your weekly income target can help you plan how many engagements or projects are needed to meet your financial goals, adjusting for seasonality and client demand. Number 6, sales mastery, how to convert contacts into contracts. Imagine you're selling a high-ticket consulting service. If your conversion rate is 1 out of every 3 calls, you'll need to make 15 sales calls a day to meet your goal. This might mean initiating 50 outreach efforts daily to schedule the necessary calls. Every part of your process, from lead generation to closing sales, needs meticulous planning and execution. Implementing CRM systems and sales pipelines can greatly enhance your ability to meet daily sales targets by providing a clear view of your sales funnel and customer behaviors. Number 7, scaling smart, from boutique to big-time business. Scaling your business requires adjusting your strategies as you grow. Starting with premium services or products allows you to focus on delivering exceptional value to a smaller client base, easing operational demands. For instance, a consultant might begin by offering personalized services at a premium, then gradually introduce scalable products like online courses or group workshops as their brand and capacity grow. Scaling operations, especially for a product-based business, involves critical decisions about inventory management, supplier relations, and logistics, each of which can significantly impact cost and therefore net revenue. Intrigued by the idea of achieving financial freedom? Then stay tuned for our next video, where we'll dive deeper into the strategies that can guide you there. We'll explore more methods to unlock your financial potential and reveal some unexpected surprises that might await you on your journey to wealth. Keep watching to discover how you can transform your financial future.